In case you don't know, I'm Mark and this is Lucy. For the past few weeks we've been traveling through Senegal in our Kia Bongo van 2B. When we left you last time, we reached the farthest point of our Africa trip. We called it quits and turned back for Europe. And it's not because our van started having some issues. The real reason has been bothering us for a while now. And it's part of this trip we haven't shown much. But in today's episode,
저 분명히 돈 달라고 태워왔다.
absolutely.
좌회전입니다.
I am so on edge right now. No, I didn't hear anything. This one. Should we?
Yeah. Also gonna go slow, but
Yeah, we gotta find a place to pull over.
yeah.
That's what I'm doing. I didn't open the vlog today.
Oh really?
Yeah, because I just took the B-roll, but you know, okay, I'm gonna do proper way.
Yeah. There comes the speed bump, so you might be able actually to hear it here.
It's not usual sound, it's kind of echoing underneath of the bottom, right? Oh, it's a parking lot.
Yeah, the parking.
앞으로 빼는 게 맞는 것 같다, 아니야. Good morning, TV crew. We just pull over in the side of the kind of pullover places. Actually, I didn't start the vlog today because from today we're gonna like drive long hours and then get out of the Senegal. That was our plan. So I was thinking that like nothing gonna happen, but when you do that kind of, you jinx.
Oh, I had a clunk.
Oh.
Fingers are shot. It's blown. Let me focus on making us food, and let me focus on this guy.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cook, honey. Yeah. This is only way I get through. This is how I climb up and back. So guys, I never expected something happened today. That's the reason why I didn't start the vlog for good morning, because we just have to drive 6 hours. But when you think that every day is going smooth, something happened. And we didn't eat lunch yet, so I'm gonna put the bean burrito. Everything is good?
Yeah, it seems like what is that first bounce? It makes a sound.
모로코 가면 샷은 구할 수 있는 거가 지금.
Yeah, and we have one there at the Said shop. We have a
그
good
뒤에
shot.
거잖아.
No, it's the front shot. It's a front strut.
아, 그래.
Yeah, but anyways, they're pretty generic, so they can get the right size. We'll see how it goes on the drive up. But the closer we get to Mauritania, and we'll see how it sounds. We'll keep all of our options open, basically.
Right, it's okay.
Yeah, it's not 100% okay, but
Yeah, but we
This is what
gotta,
it
you
is,
know,
right?
yeah, it's happen and just keep eye on the TV sounds.
yeah,
We don't need to freak out right now because like car is running.
yeah. Let's go ahead and eat. 'Cause we
I'm
gotta-
heating up.
Oh, if we can make it to Eamon shop, that would be ideal. Said shop.
차에서 가면 문제 없을 것 같다. 근데 we are kind of rushing to get out of the Senegal, right? That's kind of challenge for us. Every day we gotta drive 6 to 7 hours.
Oh, these guys are giant.
우리 아침은 시리얼 쪼가리 먹었잖아.
Basically, you're almost going to stop.
Yeah, I hear tung tung 2 times. I want to see Michigan again. Oh, there it is. What the? Wow. Woo. Yeah, it's a fire.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. How are you feeling now?
I'm a bit tired, but I'm okay.
파이팅!
Fighting. Follow the sheep.
가자.
준비했으면 gas. 이거 시험 안 되지.
쉘인데?
진짜? Good?
너무 피곤하다. How many hours? Oh my god, 8 hours, 30 minutes.
Wow. Enjoy. 뭔가 맛있나?
맛있지? Good morning to the crew. First, I'm sorry that my voice is not okay. I don't know what is going on. I know that I have a symptom for kind of cold symptom, but it's getting worse. I feel like. But anyways, yesterday we left Chicken Shore to Verengara, and then yesterday we decided to leave Senegal. It will take a total of 5 days, and then today is the second day. And we just like leaving Verengara, and today's destination is Kumgul, which is 3 hours 11 minutes away for driving. But yesterday accident on TV, some shock or joint is not good condition, so we cannot speed anymore, and there are so many speed bumps we have to slow down. So we are expecting to add 2 hours more, so that it would take the 5 hours to get there. And my condition is not that great. I'm not sure I can keep talking. But anyways, today is another day. We are gonna go. 야외 시장. Yeah, what happened?
So he checked like all of our papers, right? He checked my driver's license, he checked everything. After I got all my stuff back, he asked me to pay him a bribe.
얼마 내라는데?
He asked me to pay him 1,000. So 1,000 is not a ton of money, right? But anyways, there's no reason for me to give him 1,000. So as soon as he said give me 1,000, I said nope, bye bye. I turned around and I started walking away. And he's like, come back, come back. I said nope, bye bye. I just kept walking. Most travelers will just say nope, see ya, bye bye, just like we did. But there are those few travelers who will come through countries like this and think, oh, I gotta pay. He wanted to find one little thing that was wrong.
진짜 완전 썩어 빠졌다.
And then what he's gonna do is he's not gonna charge me. He's not gonna do anything. He's gonna ask for a bigger bribe. If he had something on us, maybe he would have asked for 20,000 or 30,000 or 50,000. Who knows, right?
And I recorded too.
Yeah, good job.
A little bit, like
We generally don't record checkpoints here because they're really sensitive. The gendarmerie, they're so sensitive about being filmed. And obviously it's because they're all
corrupt,
right? Corrupt people don't like cameras. They absolutely hate them. Alright, we're here.
Oh, there's another cartoon. We are at the campsite. check. window check. 루프 밴 클로즈 됐고 이거 하고 나중에 솔로를 고쳐야 되긴 하지만 다 체크 완료한 것 같습니다. 준비 다 됐어. 본보야지. Wow, street donkey. He must be
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va? Ça va bien.
bien.
Allez où?
I don't speak French, I'm sorry.
Huh?
I don't speak French.
Where are you going?
We are going to the
Palmerin? What is going on with this guy?
if they are gonna do driving or
No, I'm
something,
not gonna do anything.
I'm just gonna blow up. 뭐 폴리스로 가야 되나?
I don't know.
We left Kungul today and we are heading to Palmerin, which is quite far away, and we just stopped over the Gaolak for getting cash because we have to fill up TV so that we can drive, and Mark just come back.
Yeah.
How was it?
Horrible.
아 진짜?
Yeah, there's so many people in line. There's like,
In the front.
yeah. Here
I
you go.
just opened up the vlog and my voice is not working.
Let's talk about the other freaking corrupt cops.
Okay.
Sometimes, I swear to God, Senegal is.
So yeah, we got confronted with another corrupt cop, police, and he asked us to pull over like middle of the freaking traffic jam, and we are blocking the traffic, and
For no reason, and just.
yeah,
started-
they asked for the car permission, and absolutely we still have a time, and then we showed them, and then they said like just pull off the side of the road right in front of the police station. Our car is not that huge, but it's enough like size to block the traffic jam. People were not happy about it. I'm kind of sick and I'm on the edge, and the police pull over for no reason.
So in order for them to properly shake us down for money, they need us to pull over and allow the cars to go through, right?
Yeah, and then he asked us to go to the side the kind of pedestrian
The sidewalk.
sidewalk.
You want me to park?
여기로 올라오라는.
I can't, my,
My car, our car is
suspension, our suspension is broken.
so we cannot go
This
up.
side, the suspension is broken. I'm going to the mechanic.
Doc, you can go.
And it was impossible for us to go up because our suspension is kind of messed up right now, and we don't want to try. So we explained like our suspension is broken. We cannot drive up that side of the road, and he said just go.
Yeah, he says, okay,
And
go.
And then that corruption cops cannot do anything. So, but anyways, it's quite annoying that. Yeah, I was kind of cursing in the video a lot because we cut the audio, not just cover the camera, but just camera was rolling. I was so mad. Oh shit, we got caught here.
Yeah,
There's the mic.
really messed up here.
This is a crazy road.
Yeah,
I really don't like all that.
yeah.
You can go. There's a motorcycle. Okay, you can go. Thank you. So
Man,
this.
place is so messed up.
Problem is there's not a place that we can see that pull over.
Maybe it was not a good idea to come down here,
Yeah.
but we would have run into this problem in Yama.
Yeah. Right. Guys, we was kind of like a little bit flying because of the road condition is really bad. And a few days ago we ran into a problem with suspensions. It got kind of like worse right now because we can hear the kong kong sounds whenever we are hitting this kind of bumpy road. Yeah, right now we're putting the emergency light to drive slow.
Oh my god, these exits are so steep.
Yeah, so slow, drive slow. And as you guys can see it, like there's no place that we can pull over to check our car. This is basically a road right now. Just trying to drive like slow, and then we are gonna find a place to pull over and check it. And there's one mechanic place 1 hour away.
Okay, right here.
Yeah, where the truck is pulling over. Awesome. Oh yeah, here? Okay. Alright, let's see.
It's an entrance to a road, but
Is it okay? Take a breath, maybe. Everything will be okay.
yeah.
Hi. So, are you alright?
Not alright.
Yeah.
My god, we hit that sucker hard.
Let me get the headlight. 헤드라이트를 들고 가야 될 것 같습니다. Let me get out. Maybe I have a light.
Can't find anything loose right now.
Uh-huh.
Obviously there's definitely a problem someplace, right?
Car is it coming?
Yeah. If we go all the way to Palmer and then go back, that's 2.5 hours that we have to go in this kind of condition.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's making all sorts of popping noises, huh?
Yeah. So guys, we changed our plan. We really want to have a 2 days break from this long drive and bad road and then corruptions and things. But I think we can make it to the campsite, but to the campsite it's a kind of really bad road to keep going on, and we are gonna head back to Umbro. There's one mechanic. I'm sure he's not gonna work right now, but we are just gonna wait there and then see if he can find a problem. I'm sorry, Anya.
No, it's my
break.
fault. So stupid. Like we hit that exact same bump before too. We hit it twice. We hit it on the way back as well. It fools you because right as you're going down, there's a huge pothole. So you're only focusing on that pothole, and you don't see right after the pothole there's a drop off and like this kind of jump. Oh man! As soon as I saw it, it was like in slow motion. I was like, oh, there's nothing I can do.
Alright, let's go.
Outside my